This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a soft and moist lemon glazed pound cake. This is one of the first cakes I've learned how to bake, and this method forms the foundation for almost all other cakes I bake. It's really citrusy and zingy. My kids love it. And if you like cakes and lemons, you will love this too.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
To start, let's talk about butter. Most recipes ask for softened or room temperature butter. But how soft is soft? Room temperature in a cold country is very different from room temperature in the tropics. The correct texture for butter is to have a little resistance when you press into it, but you are still able to leave finger marks on it. The resistance feels like silken tofu. If you live in Singapore or Malaysia, room temperature is way too soft. This is what mine looks like at room temperature. Okay, now for the recipe. Zest 1 lemon into the sugar. Give it a good rub or use a whisk. We are trying to infuse the sugar with the lemon oil. You will end up with sugar that looks yellowish in color. Now, cream the butter and sugar together for 5 minutes on medium speed. If you are using a stand mixer like I am here, remember to scrape the bottom. The pedals don't quite reach the bottom. After 5 minutes, add in the eggs. I have already added the vanilla extract into the eggs. Beat it on medium speed for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now, sieve and fold in 180 grams of self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can add 2 teaspoons of baking powder to 180 grams of all-purpose flour. Next, butter the loaf tin. You can also use a round tin here as well. My loaf tin is about 20 cm by 11 cm. Level off the batter and bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 50 minutes. The built-in thermometers in most ovens are notoriously inaccurate. Mine is about 5 to 7 degrees hotter than what the set temperature is. So, invest in an oven thermometer instead. Check the cake at the 35 and 40 minutes mark to make sure that you are not over baking the cake. The cake is done when the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Set it aside to cool. While waiting, make the lemon drizzle by mixing together 100 grams of sieved icing or powdered sugar with 17 grams of lemon juice. This is the consistency of the glaze. Add more icing sugar or lemon juice to make the necessary adjustments. When the cake is still slightly warm, pour the glaze over the cake. This is a soft and moist lemon glazed pound cake.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.